Hi, in this video I will discuss how to add and change the phone number on your Samsung account. If you need it, follow the steps below. First, go to your Samsung phone settings. Then open your Samsung account profile at the top. Next, tap Profile Info. Then open the phone number section. Before continuing, here you must enter the password from your Samsung account first. After that, tap Add. Then enter your new phone number here. Make sure you have selected your country code. Then tap Send Code. Enter the code sent via message to your new number. And tap Verify. Finally, if you want to delete the old phone number, tap the three dots button. Tap Delete. And then, select the phone number you want to delete. Finished. That's how to change the phone number on your Samsung account. Easy, right? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.